Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to delete your Instagram account. Whether you're taking a break from social media or just looking to permanently delete your account, I'll walk you through the steps to get it done. Step 1. Back up your data. Before we begin, it's important to back up any important data you may have on your Instagram account, like photos or videos. This way, you won't lose anything you don't want to when you delete your account. You can use the built-in Instagram data download tool to do this. You can find dozens of videos about that one if you have any photos or videos to download. Step 2. Open Instagram. Step 3. Navigate to Settings next. Click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen, then click on the 3 lines in the top right corner to open up the menu. From there, click on Settings at the bottom of the menu. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and click on Account, and then scroll a bit further and click on Delete Account. This will take you to the Delete Your Account page. Here, you'll be asked to choose a reason for why you're deleting your account. You can select for whatever reason you're deleting the account. It doesn't really matter what reason you're selecting. After selecting a reason, you'll need to re-enter your password to confirm that you want to delete your account. Once you've done that, click on Permanently Delete My Account, and your account will be deleted. Congratulations on deleting your Instagram account. Just remember that if you change your mind within 30 days, you can reactivate your account. But after 30 days, it will be permanently deleted, so make sure to back up any important data beforehand. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.